Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart, blood pressure. We're going to uncover the secrets of blood pressure, understand what those numbers really mean, and empower you with the knowledge to take control of your heart health. I truly believe that knowledge is power, and when it comes to your health, it's the most important power you can possess. So are you ready to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you? Let's get started. Blood pressure. It's the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your arteries, those vital highways that carry blood from your heart to the rest of your body. Think of it like this. Imagine your arteries are like a garden hose, and your blood is the water flowing through it. That force is your systolic pressure, the top number in a blood pressure reading. Now let that faucet dwindle down to a gentle flow. That's your diastolic pressure, the bottom number representing the pressure when your heart is at rest between beats. Ideally, we want that hose, your arteries, to be nice and flexible, allowing the blood to flow smoothly. But when that pressure stays high for too long, it can damage the walls, making them stiff and narrow. Now, let's talk about how to measure blood pressure accurately. Find a comfortable seat with your back supported and your feet flat on the floor. Don't cross those legs. It can actually throw off the reading. Relax your arm on a table or armrest, making sure the cuff is positioned right at heart level. Resist the urge to chat it up while the measurement is being taken. Talking, fidgeting, even a case of the jitters can all affect those numbers. Think of it as a mini meditation, a few moments of quiet reflection to get the most accurate reading. So, what exactly contributes to high blood pressure, also known as hypertension? It's often a combination of factors, some within our control and some that are out of our hands. Let's start with the usual suspects. A diet high in sodium, that's salt, my friends, and low in potassium. Think processed foods, fast food, those salty culprits that sneak into our diets. Then there's the couch potato syndrome, a lack of physical activity. Incorporating regular movement into your routine is crucial. And let's not forget the dangers of smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Those are two habits we need to kick to the curb for a healthier heart. Finally, there's family history. If hypertension runs in your family, you're at an increased risk. The good news is that even if you have some of these risk factors, there's so much you can do to take control of your blood pressure. Let's talk about lifestyle modifications. These are the cornerstones of healthy blood pressure management. Remember that DASH diet we mentioned earlier? It's a game changer. Embrace whole foods, load up on fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, while saying see you later to those processed salty snacks. Regular exercise is like magic for your heart. It helps lower blood pressure, strengthens your heart muscle, and boosts your overall well-being. Now, I'm a big advocate for home blood pressure monitoring. Sometimes blood pressure can spike up in a doctor's office. It's that white coat syndrome that many of us experience. But home monitoring allows you to track your numbers in a more relaxed, familiar environment. Plus, it's empowering. When you're actively involved in monitoring your health, you're more likely to stick to those healthy habits that keep your blood pressure in check. Talk to your doctor about incorporating home blood pressure monitoring into your routine. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can make a world of difference. Remember, managing hypertension is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Your doctor will consider your individual needs, taking into account your age, lifestyle, medical history, and any other health conditions you may have. For some, lifestyle modifications alone might be enough to keep those numbers in a healthy range. But for others, medication might be necessary to give your heart the extra support it needs. The key is to work closely with your healthcare team to develop a treatment plan that's tailored to you. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what blood pressure is to exploring the many ways we can manage it effectively. Remember, knowledge is power, and armed with this information, you're well on your way to a healthier heart. Embrace those healthy habits, work closely with your doctor, and remember, you're never alone on this journey. Take charge of your heart health today.